back in the garage, some routine maintenance on the new to us 2000 Ram 2500. Today, we're gonna be doing an oil change. As you saw in a previous video with the black Ram, we did a fuel filter change in addition to the oil change, but this truck has a fast fuel system. They bypassed and took out that stock fuel filter, which is fine with me. So we don't have to worry about that today. I've already changed those filters when I first bought the truck. So it should be pretty simple. Just drain the bottom and let's get to it. We're just gonna be going with some Rotella T4 15W40, which is what everybody kind of recommends oil weight-wise online. And then we're going with just a basic Ram oil filter. I know there are a million options and everybody has their opinions, but this is what I'm going with for today. And we're done. It's that simple. I am super sweaty. It is a hot day here in Missouri. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see anything done to the truck. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.